Here's just one more thing that I really like to do that you can use AI to help and increase your business or to basically to enhance your business by using Canva and in one of the AIs. You can use ChatGPT or the other one, what is used to be Bard, but now it's Gemini to do this. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Let's say you want to do some posts, some social media posts, maybe like a Facebook post in your group, or if you just want to do them in general. Let me show you what we can do here to enhance that, or rather make it go a lot quicker. Let's say we're going to do Facebook posts. So I'm going to go ahead and create a design, and I'm just going to create Facebook posts. And let's see, let me move these things out of the way. And what do I want to call? Let me get a background. I'm going to get a nice background. Let's just get a regular ocean background. That's fine. And let me go ahead and move this. We're going to use that. I don't like that font. I'm going to go ahead and make it smaller. You'll like this. We can just go ahead and that's a little small, too small. And we can adjust it, and we're going to center it. Okay, we got it centered. Let's change to a different font. I like, let's see, we'll go with Tahoma. Yeah, we'll go with Tahoma. And I'm just going to type it in. Anything, doesn't matter what you put in here, but let's just say, I'm going to say quote right here. And maybe you want to do a little additional branding. I might want to, let's see, I'll go into the uploads and brand it. And let's put where is it? Let me go ahead and upload my logo. I'm going to go ahead and do that. Graphics, and we go into logos. And let's see, where's the logo? Hey, well, we'll make it, since I'm in the credit industry, that's one of my niches is a credit. So I'm going to go ahead and use that. I'm going to use this logo. Oh my God, good credit. And let's resize it, make it really small. And I'm just going to go ahead and sit it here in the corner, right here, just for some branding for my sake. Okay, we've got that. I've got my quote there. Okay, now the next step is I've got it set how I want it to look, and you can readjust this later. But what I'm going to do, let's go to, I can use either Gemini or ChatGPT, but for what I'm doing here, when I'm talking about creativity, I like ChatGPT better. That's just a personal preference. So what we'll do is we'll say create 30 inspiring quotes in relation to credit, education, and repair. Now you might want to specify something different. Maybe you might sell hats or you might do something else. It's based on what you want. Your quotations are going to be based on what you want. And it's important when you say create how you do your prompt. Watch. You just say create 30 inspiring. It could be 20, 10, however many. I'm just going to do 30 for right now, but I want to create 30 inspiring quotes in relation to credit, education, and repair. And I'm going to leave it at that. A lot of times you might say, you could say, give me 30 inspiring quotes from famous people. I'm just going to give it in general. So I'm going to click that and let it do its magic. Now you notice it puts a number on the side of it, but the cool thing about this is when you copy it, that number part won't be on there, but you'll see what I mean. Okay. And there it is. It created 30. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead on and copy all of these like that. I'm just going to copy them. And there's a couple of different ways you can do this. Now you can go ahead on and create go ahead and open up a spreadsheet and create a CVS file, or you can do it manually like I'm getting ready to do. Now, I'm just going to go back to Canva, my design, which you see right here. You click on that, and then over here to the right, you're going to find an app. It's called Bolt Create. You click on that, or you might have to find it. I've already found it on mine. You go ahead and click on that. Now it's going to tell you some things. You want to enter data manually, or you want to upload a data file. That's why if you're going to do it in a data file, then that's where you create the spreadsheet and save it as a CVS file. In this case, since I copied it, I'm just going to do it manually. So I'm going to click enter manually, and I'm going to click on that first screen, that first cell, and then I'm just going to paste. Now you notice it went and pasted all of that in there. Now the second one, I'm going to right click on that, and I'm going to delete the column because I don't need it. So I'm going to delete it. And you scroll all the way down to the bottom, and then you say done. You click done. Now it's going to give you some instructions. It says right click an element in your page to connect the data below. So I'm going to right click on this and right click, and then you want to connect data. You see where it says connect data? Click connect data. And then you got to, once you say connect data, you're going to click on name because that's what the field I am using. Click on name. And then you go back over to the left and you click the continue button. And now it's already created it. Now you're going to say generate 30 days or 30 designs. And boom, watch what happens. This is where the magic happens. Now, voila, it created all of those with 30 designs. And then what you do is I'll go in gently and I will change it and modify it like this one. I might want to make the quote bigger. So I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. And I'm going to center it. And then you can go down for each one that you got, each quote that you got. And you can do, you could have done this right here and made it a little bit wider. I didn't do it. You can always delete it and start over. Okay, that's the cool beauty of it. But I'm not going to go through all of them. So I'm going to pause the video here and finish it up. Now, I could have done this beforehand and redone it, but you can do it at any point. It makes it a little easier if you do all of this up beforehand and then you do it. But there you have it. That's just one way to use AI in your business.
Alright everyone, hopefully you found this video helpful. If you learned something new or enjoyed the content, I'd really appreciate it if you gave it a thumbs up. It lets me know you're enjoying the channel and encourages me to keep creating great videos for you. And if you think this video would be valuable to someone you know, feel free to share it with them. Sharing is a great way to help others and grow the community around this channel. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one. Let me know in the comments below what other topics you'd like to see covered in the future. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.